Today we're going to look at the connection of using base 10 blocks to add the numbers 325 plus 152 with the standard algorithm. So just like you did in second and third grade, we're going to build the number using base 10 blocks, 3 hundreds, 2 tens for 20, and 5 ones. Okay, so now I have 325. Next, I'm going to build the next number, 100. 5 tens for 50. And 2 ones. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my ones first. Here are my ones. I'm going to group my like place value together. And then let's group my tens together. And then finally, we're going to group our hundreds together. Okay, so I see that if I add my ones together, I have five ones plus 2 ones. My answer is 7 ones. I'm always going to start with my ones whenever I am using my standard algorithm, just in case I need to regroup later. When I add my tens, I see that I have 2 tens plus 5 tens. That's 7 tens, or 70. And then finally, my hundreds. I have 3 hundreds plus 100. That makes 4 hundreds. So whenever I did place value in third grade, I would put those together like 400 plus 70 plus 7 to equal 477. So over here with my standard algorithm, I'm going to start first with my ones. 5 plus 2 was 7. And then I added my tens. 2 tens plus 5 tens, or 20 plus 50, was 70. And then I am going to do my hundreds. 300 plus 100 is 400. So here I have 325 plus 152 is 477.